To download invoices from the Tesla Energy portal, follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you navigate the portal efficiently to access your billing information. Step 1. Access the Tesla Energy portal. Open your web browser and go to the Tesla Energy portal website. Log in using your Tesla account credentials, which include your email and password. Step 2. Navigate to the billing section. Once logged in, look for the billing or invoices section on the dashboard. This is typically found in the main menu or under account settings. Step 3. Select the invoice you want. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. Scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Download the invoice. After selecting the invoice, look for a download option, usually represented by a download icon or a button labeled download. Click on it to save the invoice to your device. Step 5. Check your downloads folder. Once the download is complete, navigate to your device's downloads folder to locate the invoice file. Ensure that the file is saved correctly and can be opened without issues. By following these steps, you can easily download your invoices from the Tesla Energy portal. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Tesla support for assistance.